Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to rename the administrator account here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our window called Run. So by that, please press Windows and R key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the window called the Run. Here, please type for netplwiz. Again, type for NetPLWiz, NETPLWIZ. Once you've typed that, click on OK to proceed. So the moment you do that, you would be able to bring up this user accounts where it is being composed of two sections, and that is users and advanced. So from here, you need to select your administrator account. The moment you do it, please double tap to it so that you would be able to bring this up. So from here, you can see that the username is being set into administrator. So you can rename that either admin or, let's say, for example, Henry. Okay, by that, you just have to click on apply and then okay. And then that way, you have just successfully renamed the administrator account here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now click on OK and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on renaming or modifying the name of your administrator account here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.